Hi, I'm Melvin, member of group in electronic commerce. So now I'm going to explain the knowledge block about electronic commerce application. In this knowledge, there are three chapters, which is chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5. Chapter 3 is talking about retailing in electronic commerce. Chapter 4 is talking about business to business, and chapter 5 is talking about innovative in electronic commerce. Okay, now we are moving to first chapter in this block in electronic application block, chapter 3, retailing in e-commerce. In this chapter, there are three main points: services and product, and concept, model, and the last one is disintermediation. Okay, let's move to first point. Retailing in electronic commerce provides service and product. You can see some examples. Number one is about travel and tourism. They are providing service online, also give the benefit and limitation of online travel services. And now some of electronic commerce company, they provide the travel solution for corporate, which is it's going to earn more money because corporate will spend a lot of money. And then the next service is about online finance. Nowadays, home banking capabilities is growing, and the number of users is getting increase and increase. So online banking we could say as virtual bank. And then we also can check the currency, e-currency, about money to change to international and multiple banking. We also can see the implementation of online financial transaction, and of course about online billing and bill paying, which is nowadays a lot of people use these services. The second product and service, the third service and product is about the stock trading. So now about the stock is talking about the insurance, online stock trading, and real estate online. And the last service and product provided by retailing in e-commerce is about job online job. From social network we may find the job vacancies, the job opportunities for job placement. So we can also see the virtual job fair, no longer use paper based. Okay, some disintermediation is talking about business to consumer. Simple traditional supplier goes to producer, distributor, retailer, and consumer. It's the traditional way supply chain in business to consumer. And what the terms of this intermediation? See from here: supplier to producer, producer to distributor, no longer use retailer. From producer and distributor, they may sell directly to end consumer. That call this intermediation. Retailer has no longer function in here. And producer, distributor, even retailer can be intermediary, and they can sell to end consumer. So the supply chain is cut off some function. Now we are moving to concept and model. E-tailing is about enterprise electronic commerce system, and the concept is about the size and market of B2C, what we sell on internet, the advantage of successful e-tailing, just like that. Okay, that is some explanation about chapter 3. Now we are moving to chapter 4. Before we are moving to chapter 4, I'll show you some video. Oh, sorry, it's not working. I'll show you later. Here is some example about retailing marketing. It's talking about marketing blog. So nowadays people also promote their business using the blog. It's inbound marketing. They sell more, how to build loyalty and trust, how to create a blog for electronic commerce store, etc. Okay, now we are moving to chapter 4. Chapter 4, there are 4 points, which is intermediary, has connection with chapter 3. This intermediation and intermediary. So in chapter 4, I'm going to explain 3 points: supplier and retailer. Who are the supplier in B2B service and retailer in B2B service? Let's move to retailer first. B2B means business to business in electronic commerce. Here is some type of B2B service. Sell side, buy side. Seller could be one seller, a lot of buyer, or one buyer has a lot of seller. Electronic exchange and supply chain improvement and collaborative commerce. In auction case, we can see the reverse auction process. They send bid invitation, so a lot of buyer bid the price, how much they are going to pay. In reverse auction, bidders send first the price, and who bid the highest price will be the winner. In marketing, wholesaler along the sell side on supply chain. Social network, electronic communities in B2B, also the opportunities of social commerce in B2B, and the use of Web 2.0. Web 2.0 is where we can edit and share the information with others. we are no longer as readers, we also can share information. Who is the supplier in B2B service? This is one supplier to many buyer. One supplier from many buyer. The opposite side. Electronic procurement. So buying at seller side, acquisition via electronic bartering, select an appropriate e-procurement solution. The portal of supplier is about the customer, employee, executive and supervisor, also mobile. Just nowadays a lot of transactions conducted using mobile. Okay, now we are going to the last chapter in this block, electronic commerce application, chapter 5. Some point that we are going to explain. The first is C2C model, consumer to consumer. Consumer sell directly to other consumer. And G2G, government to government. Some classification from G2G, G2B, government to business, G2G, government to government, G2E, government to employee. The third point is about collaborative commerce. The use of digital technologies that enable company to collaboratively plan, design, develop, manage and research products, services and innovative easy application. Knowledge management. The cycle is how to create knowledge, capture knowledge, refine, store, manage, disseminate or deploy. Those are deploy, give to everybody so everyone can access those kind of information, assess, evaluate, and the drivers of e-learning. So that is my explanation about this block, electronic commerce application block. See you in my next explanation. I'm Melvin. Thank you.